Know, wonder, and learn.
Happy morning, everyone. I am Alberto Niño Piculiarmo, grade 4 learner of Usul Elementary School, Jones East District, located at Usul, Jones, Isabela. As a learner, I want to learn about how to find the area of irregular figures made up of square and rectangles using square, centimeter, and square meter. Can you help me with this? Let's learn by tuning in with Radyo Eskwela sa Isabela. Thank you very much. Stay at home and be safe. Goodbye.
You are listening to SDO Isabela Radio-Based Instruction.
Learning never stops in Math Eskwela, your school on air.
Your partner in achieving fun learning experiences. Let's listen, enjoy, and have fun in learning mathematics. Stay tuned.
Good morning, grade 4 learners. This is Mrs. Marilu Laborte Ramos, your today's teacher on air. After today's lesson, it is expected that each of you will be able to determine the missing terms in a sequence of numbers. Are you ready now?
Yes, ma'am!
We will now begin our new lesson here at School on Air in mathematics. How are you today, kids? How's your weekend? Now, find a comfortable place for you and get your pen and paper, activity sheets, and books you need as we discuss together our lesson for today. Last time, we discussed about figures. How would you describe a square? Very good. A square is a figure with 4 equal sides, 4 corners, and 4 right angles.
Yay!
How about rectangle? Yes, a rectangle is a figure with 2 pairs of opposite sides parallel and has 4 right angles.
Boom!
Today, we will have a lesson on how to find the area of irregular figures made up of squares and rectangles using square centimeter and square meter as unit of measure. But before that, I want you to listen to this situation. I encountered this morning while fixing my bed. I observed that my bed is irregular in shape. The bed is 122 centimeter wide and 183 centimeter long. However, at its upper right, it has a square-shaped extension intended for the lampshade which measures 76 centimeter by 76 centimeter. It has the same size extension at its upper left side too. I also observed that my study table is different from the other tables I commonly see in school. It is also irregular in shape because the main table measures 91 centimeter long and 61 centimeter wide. It has an extension intended for my computer set which measures 76 centimeter long and 51 centimeter wide. There are other things in my room which have irregular shapes. Even our house has irregular shape. I am thinking on finding the area of my bed using the square centimeters as unit of measure and also my study table. But how will I do it? What are the steps on finding area of things with irregular shapes involving squares and rectangles using square centimeters and square meters as unit of measure. Children, can you help me find the area of my bed and my study table?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow! Thank you, kids. You are all helpful, and I'm happy that you are ready to extend help. That's great.
Yay!
Now, children, let us identify the important details of my bed for us to be able to find its area. How long is my bed? That's right. Its length is 183 centimeters. How about its width? Correct. It is 122 centimeters wide.
Boom!
What is the shape of the upper right and left extension for the lampshade? Very good. Their shape is square.
Yay!
What are the dimensions of the squares? Correct. The squares measure 76 centimeters by 76 centimeters respectively. Is the shape of my bed regular or irregular? Absolutely. My bed has an irregular shape because it consists of two different shapes, a rectangle and two small squares.
Boom!
What will we do to find its area? Very good. We need to find the area of the rectangle first. Then, we'll find the area of the squares. Let us first find the area of the rectangle. To find the area of a rectangle, what will we do? That's right. We will simply multiply the length and width. If we will multiply 122 centimeters with 183 centimeters, what then is the area of the rectangular part of my bed? Excellent! We will get 22,326 square centimeters.
Boom!
Why is it that the unit of measure is expressed in square centimeters? Very good. If we multiply a number in centimeters by centimeters, we will have square centimeters as a unit of measure. How about the square parts of the bed? How will we get its area? That's right. Simply multiply 76 centimeters with 76 centimeters to find its area. What then is the area of the first square? Precisely. The area of the first square is 5,776 square centimeters. How about the second square? That's right. It also has an area of 5,776 square centimeters because they have the same dimensions.
Boom!
Now, children, what will we do to get the total area of my bed? Very good. We will add the area of the rectangular figure which has 22,326 square centimeter. The area of the first square figure with 5,776 square centimeter and the area of the second square figure with 5,776 square centimeter to find out the total area of my bed with irregular shape. What then is the total area of my bed? Very good. My bed has an area of 28,102 square centimeter.
Hooray!
This time, kids, let us find the area of my study table. But let us find out what figures or shapes are involved in my study table. What shapes are they? Yes, they are two rectangles seen in my study table. What are the dimensions of the bigger rectangle? That's right, it is length of 91 centimeters. How about its width? Correct, it is 61 centimeters wide. What then is the area of the bigger rectangle? Very good. The bigger rectangle has an area of 5,551 square centimeter. Now, let us find the area of the smaller rectangle. What are the dimensions of the smaller rectangle? Yes, it has 76 centimeter length and 51 centimeter width. What is its area? Absolutely. The smaller rectangle has an area of 3,876 square centimeter. What will we do this time to finally get the total surface area of my study table? That's correct. We will simply add the area of the bigger rectangle and the area of the smaller rectangle. Thus, we will add figure 1 with area of 5,551 square centimeter plus figure 2 with area of 3,876 square centimeter. What then is the total surface area of my study table? Very good. The table has a total surface area of 9,427 square centimeter. Now, children, I am currently here in school. I was asked to find the area of our playground with irregular figure. I measured its dimensions this morning. The figure 1 has dimensions of 48 meters and 25 meters, while figure 2 has dimensions of 23 meters and 15 meters. Moreover, figure 3 has dimensions of 16 meters and 16 meters. What is the total area of the school playground? What will we do to find its answer? Correct. Let us first find out the area of each figure. What then is the area of the first figure? That's correct. The first figure has an area of 1,200 square meter. How about the second figure? Very good. It has an area of 345 square meter.
Boom!
And what is the area of the third one? That's right. The third figure has an area of 256 square meter. To find the total area of the whole playground, what will we do next? Excellent! We will add the area of the three figure. May I know what is the total area of the school playground now? Perfect! The school playground has a total area of 1,801 square meter.
Hooray!
Now, my dear pupils, let us have some exercises. Let us find the area of an irregular figure which involves rectangles or combination of rectangle and square. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am!
These are the dimensions of the figure comprised of rectangle ABCD with a length of 8 centimeter and width of 5 centimeter, and rectangle DEFG with length of 3 centimeter and width of 1 centimeter. What is the area of the rectangle ABCD? Very good. It has an area of 40 square centimeter.
Boom!
How about rectangle DEFG? Yes, it has an area of 3 square centimeter. What then is the total area of the figure? Precisely, it's 43 square centimeter. Here's another figure for you to find its area. Figure VRST has dimension of 4 meters and 4 meters, while figure PQTU has dimensions of 9 meters and 3 meters. What is the area of figure VRST? Correct. It has an area of 16 square meter.
Yay!
How about the figure PQTU? That's right. It has an area of 27 square meter.
Boom!
What then is the total area of the figure PQVRST? Excellent! It has a total area of 43 square meter. Now, how do we calculate the area of irregular figures or shapes? Very good. We first compute the area of the first polygon, followed by the area of the second and or third. Then add them all to come up with the final answer. Now, before we continue our lesson, may I ask you to get your pen or pencil, paper or notebook and get ready for some exercises. Are you ready now, kids?
Yes, ma'am!
There are only 5 items for you to answer. Write in your papers the dimensions of the figures I will give you. Listen carefully. Game.
Hooray!
First, calculate the area of the figure with this dimension. Rectangle ABGF has 8 cm long and 2 cm wide, while rectangle CDEG has 2 cm width and 6 cm wide. Second, find the area of the figure with these given dimensions. Rectangle PQRS has 5 cm width and 9 cm length, and square STUV has 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter dimensions. Next figure has dimensions A, B, C, G with 12 meter long and 5 meter wide, while D, E, F, G has 7 meter long and 5 meter wide. What is the total area of figure A, B, C, D, E, F, G? Fourth, find the area of a figure with H, I, J, K, L, M, N if the dimension of H, I, J, K is 5 meter by 5 meter and K, L, M, N is 4 meter by 4 meter. And the fifth is figure STUVWXY, whose dimensions are with STUV having 12 cm long and 4 cm wide, and VWXY having 7 cm long and 3 cm wide. Are you ready to check your answers?
Yes, ma'am.
But before we check, may I remind you to be honest while checking. Very good. Now, in the first item, what is the total area of the figure? Very good. The total area is 28 square centimeter because when area 1 having 16 square centimeter is added to area 2, which has an area of 12 square centimeter, we will get 28 square centimeter. How about the second figure? That's right. The figure has a total area of 54 square centimeter.
Boom!
What is the area of the third figure? Correct. The third figure has a total area of 95 square meter.
Hooray!
How about the fourth figure? Excellent. The figure has a total area of 41 square meter.
Yay!
And how about the fifth figure? Definitely, the figure has a total area of 69 square centimeter.
Boom!
You're all very good. I am happy that you made it well. May you all say to yourself, you are matinic. You read it well.
Yay!
Now that you already know how to calculate area of irregular figures, which involve squares and rectangles, how do you feel? Are you happy that you already know the procedure in finding area of irregular figures?
Yes, ma'am.
That's good to know. I am also happy that you already know how to do it. Do you think it is useful for you?
Yes, ma'am.
That's well. The skills in calculating area of irregular figure could definitely enhance your problem solving and critical thinking skills. Another lesson has been done. For you to understand more our lesson for today, find time to answer the additional exercises on your learning activity sheets and textbook. Answer the learning activity sheets and exercises for you to master the skills needed in doing the activity. Don't forget to submit your complete learning activity sheets, and self-learning modules through your parents or guardian in the designated drop center in your place. Always observe proper health protocols and social distancing whenever your teacher will come to visit you at home.
Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon.
Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang may iwan.
Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela!
In behalf of DepEd Radyo Eskwela, through our leaders in SDO Isabela, and of the scriptwriter Mrs. Evelina G. Santiago for this episode, we are again thankful for another successful and happy edition for Math Eskwela.
Yay!
This is your teacher on air, Mrs. Marilu Loborte Ramos, saying blessed and happy day to everyone. Hope to be with you all again in the next edition of Math Eskwela.